Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. So we've come to the end of the week. Today's 24th of July, and we're going to start off with a chart on our screen. This is wait. We'll start off. We'll start off with the USDJPY. So on this chart, basically, we are looking at the possibility that the price may continue to the lower side. I'm going to explain that in a short while. We do have a level here. We have this one. We have a zone. This is a very good support in the past. We had a support, we had a support, we had a support. It was used as a support. Then earlier today the price basically broke below this level. As I'm speaking now, you can see that the price is still somehow being contained below. So following the break below the next level, which is this one, we do expect price to continue in that direction. So we do expect more momentum to the lower side. The price may likely continue much lower. We are likely to see a possible rally up to somewhere around this point, up to somewhere around 108.6.06. And in case the price goes and closes below that level, then that would mean we are continuing downwards. So the next chart we look at, this is Euro USD. Euro USD is upwards. There's a position which we missed some few days ago. I'm going to say that we did have a trend line from this point, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. There was this break, and then there was a retracement. The price came perfectly to this point. This was last week, gave us a good buy place, and then the price continued up. So as it is now, sorry, as it is now, the price somehow is still upwards. We do expect a continuation to the upper side. The idea is to wait for maybe a retracement so that you pick a low risk buy position. So the next chart we look at GBP USD. GBP USD so far we are upwards. There was like a shape which was formed previously. Let me draw that. We have this here, and then we have a line from the bottom. Then the price successfully, this is the resistance, a resistance, a resistance. There was a break above that resistance, but as I'm speaking now, we are yet to see a clear retracement back to the same place. So if the price can successfully retrace back to the zone which I've just drawn, then that will give us the correct place to look for a buy from. If the price can successfully retrace back to the lower side and even touch the zone which I've just drawn, then that will be an ideal place where you want to pick a buy from. The next chart we look at gold. You can remember yesterday we talked about gold deeply. We did say that gold is still upwards. Therefore, we would just want retracement so that we look for low risk buy position. As it is now, we would like to load it so that we see exactly what we expect to be happening. So we have gold. Sorry, we have, where is it? Oh, we have gold. We have gold here. Now if you check the chart, you can see that gold is very much to the upper side. We're continuing upwards. So looking at this chart now, you actually are supposed to be looking for more buy positions. Gold is very, very much bullish, and if you check the monthly chart, you can see that we've gone beyond a monthly resistance here. So technically, if the current candle can close, this is the current month's candle, if it can close above this point, then this will mean you are continuing upward. So the idea is to wait for maybe a retracement come next month, wait for a pullback up to the same place, 1831.45, so that you pick a buy position. That is what you expect to be happening, a pullback up to this point, so that we pick a buy position. We expect that buy to take us to the upper side much higher. So the next chart we want to look at, we look at Brent oil. We have it here. So you remember yesterday we talked also about Brent oil. We did say that Brent oil is also upwards somehow. We had like a converging wedge formation, which the price successfully closed beyond. So as it is now, we are still looking for more buy positions. If the price can pull back maybe to give us a good buy place, then that will mean we are looking for we are taking the position. So we'll simply wait for price to pull back slightly to give us a good place so that we'll pick a buy position. So we'll load that. We have it already. Let's see why I'm saying this a buy. You check the daily chart, expand this, then a trend line here. Sorry, the trend line has not been broken just yet. Have this. So if the price can successfully close beyond the upper trend line, then that will be the best confirmation that we are continuing upwards. If the price can successfully close above the upper trend line, then that will be the confirmation that we're continuing to the upper side. So as it is now, simply be waiting for price, wait for whatever will happen, wait for price, expect a breakout above the upper trend line, and then a retracement so that you continue looking for a trade to the upper side. The next chart we would like to look at is SP500. SP500, we expected a move to the upper side. We expected price to continue to the upper side. As it is now, you can see that somehow we are retracing. Instead of continuing to the upper side, the price is retracing to the lower side. So if you're looking for a trade now, ensure you're waiting for a retracement. Like the current move you're seeing to the lower side is actually a retracement in itself. It's not that we are reversing the lower side, it's just that we are retracing. So if the price can give you, like if you can see a good buy place, you better buy it. If you can see a good buy place maybe around this level or here, then that will be the best place where you want to look for a buy from. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. If you have any questions, kindly feel free to post them for me on the chat option. I should respond to them when I see them. So thank you. See you.